healthy and delicious for lunch or dinner. This recipe has already become a routine in my house. I'll put some olive oil in a glass baking dish, and I'll spread it well across the surface. Then, I'll add the pieces of pre-cooked broccoli, and also pieces of pre-cooked cauliflower. I'll add a chopped onion, diced into small cubes, half of a yellow bell pepper also diced, and a tomato cut into cubes. Now that the glass baking dish is ready, I'll prepare the other part of the recipe. In a large bowl, I'll add 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil to mix all the ingredients very well. After that, I'll add 1 cup of wheat flour and mix the ingredients well again. Now, I'll add 2 cups of milk, always mixing after adding each new ingredient. I'll add parsley to taste in the recipe. Then, the mixture will be ready. Next, I'll pour it into the glass baking dish with the rest of the recipe. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. After that, I'll sprinkle mozzarella to taste over the glass baking dish. Look how beautiful today's recipe is turning out. I'll put the glass baking dish in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 40 minutes. After that time, I'll slice a piece of the recipe and serve it on a plate. I love preparing this recipe on weekends. My whole family loves it and always asks me to make it for them. The flavors of broccoli and cauliflower together add so much to the texture of this recipe. I'm sure you'll be surprised by them. It's very quick and easy to prepare, so give it a try and see how delicious this recipe is. Make it at home and let me know how it turned out. I'll be so happy to know you made it and loved it too. Tell me if you have any recipes with broccoli. I'd love to know. Look how beautiful it is inside and out, perfectly prepared to eat. Teach it to your friend who loves vegetables. I'm sure they'll love this recipe. My friends always ask me to teach them how to make it because the result is so amazing. It's an incredible recipe, quick, easy, with few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason not to try it at home.